Benjamin Franklin went out into the storm and bravely let his kite go up in the air. He risked his life on an idea that night, and thanks to him we now have light everywhere. Louis Pasteur never gave up on his cures, and thanks to him now we all have a vaccine. And Orville and Wilbur told until they delivered what until then had just been in our dreams. Goddamn, white people are geniuses. Goddamn, it really blows me away. I know it's not cool to talk about it, but it's something that I just gotta say. Can you imagine a world where white people just did not exist? That would be such a terrible thing. Lots of other races have geniuses too. Don't let anybody tell you other. George Washington Carver was a black guy who figured out how to make peanut butter. La da 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 da.